Hey, it's Heidi from A Lively Hope, back with our next in the watercolor fun series for beginners. We've got our praying watercolors, water with a medium paintbrush, watercolor paper, and you will need a black pen. You could also use other colors of markers or pens. I'm going to show you what a white pen looks like a little bit later. So similar to how we did blob monsters earlier in this series, today we're doing blob flowers. And one thing that's really fun, as I just did, was to do the outside petals in one color and then a dot of another color to be the center. So this is a really fun thing to experiment with. You want to make sure that you add that dot of the second color when the first color is still wet so that they can blend together. And as you just saw, sometimes it works better than others. So I'm just going to fill my page with some blobs of color with a dot of another color in the center. And these, once they dry, we will turn into flowers. My blob flowers are now dry. You can see how nicely the colors blended together to make the center of each flower. And now I'm going to use a black Sharpie or another kind of black marker to draw the center, kind of a circle around the center. And I like to make it squiggly so it looks a little more realistic. And then I'm just going to make some petals around the center of each flower. One trick is to trace around it twice, and that will make it look intentionally wonky. I don't mind if some of the blob is not included in the petals. I think that kind of adds to the charm of this. So I'm then going to draw the stem and some leaves, and we can experiment with a few different kinds of leaves. These kind of remind me of poppy leaves, but I'm going to do a few different kinds to show you. And here I am adding another line to make it look intentionally wonky instead of just accidentally wonky. So now I'm going to go over each of these flowers, making sure to make a center in each, and then adding petals. So as I work on this, I will speed it up, but then you can also watch and see different ideas for different shapes of flowers, different stems, different kinds of leaves. On this one, we're just doing black pen for the leaves and the stems. But of course, if you wanted to, you could make these with watercolor, or you could go back after the fact and fill in color. I like that just the flowers are colorful and the black and white stem contrasts so nicely with the colorful flowers. But you're the artist, so it's totally up to you what you do with this. I decided to show you what it would look like to use a white pen on a darker colored flower. White pens are a little bit tricky because they tend to dry out and not work as well as black pens. So I did have a little bit of trouble with my white pens here. I had to try a few different ones to get it to work. But it could be really pretty and kind of subtle if that's what you decide to do. Obviously, because the paper is white, my stem still needs to be black so that you can actually see it. But that is a fun option if you want to try using a white pen. That's it. Happy painting!